What is GlucoBerry? GlucoBerry is a blood sugar support supplement with remarkable therapeutic effects. They enable the kidneys to eliminate excess sugar from our bodies by cleaning the gray mucosal substance that blocks the route. One capsule is recommended daily to achieve the desired result. GlucoBerry was formulated by a physician named Dr. Mark Weiss. It is manufactured by a company called MD Process. The product is made in an FDA-registered GMP-certified facility. He came across the Harvard research and decided to formulate a supplement based on this promising new therapeutic finding. He aimed for ultimate blood sugar support. How does the GlucoBerry work? GlucoBerry is a dietary supplement that claims to regulate blood sugar levels in the body by targeting a blood sugar drain located in the kidney. According to the manufacturer, this healthy blood sugar drain works by removing excess sugar from insulin and then flushing it into the urine. However, the process can be hampered by a sticky gray protein that blocks the blood sugar drain, preventing excess glucose from being removed from the body. By using GlucoBerry, the supplement aims to unclog the blood sugar drain, allowing excess sugar to be eliminated from the body, thereby preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. The supplement contains a proprietary blend of natural ingredients, including herbs and minerals that work synergistically to regulate blood sugar levels. How is GlucoBerry beneficial? GlucoBerry is developed with expert advice and experimentation. You can expect the following benefits from GlucoBerry. Good for energy. GlucoBerry has ingredients that can keep the body energetic throughout the day. You can just take one capsule and you will see the results, as claimed by many GlucoBerry reviews of their existing customers. With more energy, you can get involved in more activities. Reduced stress? This product aids in reducing stress in the body that can generally occur due to high blood sugar levels. Less stress helps with better functioning of other body organs. Healthier body. GlucoBerry helps you get a better and healthier body by flushing out the excess glucose in the body. This way, you will feel more confident and relaxed. Keeps blood sugar levels in control. The primary function of the product is to keep blood sugar levels in control. This product is rich in delphinidin to keep blood sugar levels in control. These benefits of GlucoBerry don't come at high prices. The product is affordable, and you can even have a guarantee. Let's check out the details below. Scientific evidence backing for GlucoBerry. GlucoBerry has been developed after doing a lot of studies. Below is a quick overview of what Dr. Mark discovered and how he developed GlucoBerry. While we always thought that blood sugar involves insulin and the pancreas, it turns out that isn't the main problem. The body can throw the excess insulin to the kidneys, but the kidneys have a gray sticky mucus that is not able to throw it out. So the excess sugar still stays in the body. Delphinol was useful and found in premium quality maquis berry extract to counter this. But it was not readily available for everyone to use. So Dr. Mark made a clinical substitute and used that, along with other ingredients, is high in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Here is a brief look at the scientific evidence revolving around the ingredients in GlucoBerry. In one study, researchers gave people with diabetes Delphinol daily for 4 weeks. The group taking the higher dose had significantly lower fasting blood glucose levels than those taking the lower dose. Another study found that diabetic patients taking 500 mg of Delphinol twice daily experienced significant improvement in their blood sugar control. In addition, they reported fewer symptoms associated with hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. One study found that people who drank a glass of water containing gymnemic acid before eating a meal lost weight without changing their diets. One study showed that chromium supplementation helped normalize blood sugar levels in people with type 1 diabetes. Another study found that chromium supplements lowered blood sugar levels in people with impaired glucose tolerance. In one study, women with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, a condition characterized by excessive insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar levels, were given either 100 mg of biotin per day or a placebo. After 12 weeks, the group that was given biotin had significantly reduced insulin resistance and improved blood sugar control compared to the placebo group. These ingredients together work to keep the body functioning well and help the kidney not to form that mucus and throw the excess blood sugar out of the body. Is GlucoBerry safe? GlucoBerry is a 100% safe and effective product for healthy blood sugar management. This formula helps your body to stabilize blood sugar levels with the help of organic and clinically examined ingredients. It is made following good manufacturing practices and is free from additives or synthetic compounds. Final words. GlucoBerry is a legitimate formula to deal with high blood sugar levels and related issues. This formula unclogs sticky protein over the kidneys and builds natural receptors to transport glucose and eliminate it through your urine. Moreover, it supports healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which contribute to overall well-being. By targeting your blood sugar drain, GlucoBerry gives you new hope. While the market is crowded with thousands of blood sugar supplements, GlucoBerry is the only one that uses its powerful formula of makwee berry to promote healthy blood sugar levels. Also, this product is made by a team of expert physicians so that customers can easily trust this formula. If you are looking for a natural and trustable solution for healthy blood sugar control, consider taking GlucoBerry. For more details, visit the official website of GlucoBerry now.